Well, I've spoken a lot about myself, but today I'm so happy that you all, friends of you all, are here, and I'll be able to tell you all about the book. This book was written. It took me about 4 years to write this book, and it's a labor of love, and it's not about I, me, myself, and what I have achieved or not. It's about the mistakes that a man makes in his life and what are the cause and effects of these mistakes and how it affects the people around you, like your wife, children, parents, friends, business associates, and how this has happened and what are the effects of it and how it affects so many people around you. And this is a very honest story about the mistakes that I've made in my life and what has been the result of it. And I have faced the consequences of it in different manners. But basically, I can't undo what I did, but at least you realize. And I want this book is about for people to realize that before they take any impulsive decisions or emotional or immediate decisions, before you leap, please think about what you're doing and how it would affect all your near and dear ones. And I have made that mistakes not once, but maybe twice, thrice, 4 times in my life, and there's no excuses for that. And I have admitted to all my mistakes, and I have been trying to rectify them. So this is not about a glory book about myself and my achievements. We all write about it, but it's about all these things about me and how I'm trying to mend them, and so that these mistakes are not made by the future generation of what I have done. I mean, leave the success and leave the fame and everything else aside, which by God's grace I have got. But still inside you, there remains something that you have affected so many people. And this book is about that. And I hope you all read it and like it and learn from it. Thank you so much.
This is the only book which just not talks about your journey, but about your journey in Bollywood, which is amazing. I mean, we've not seen a beautiful confluence like this ever. Your journey, talks about Vinod Mehra, talks about, so many Bollywood friends of yours today, Shatrughan Sinha, Anupam Kejri, they all are going to be part of it.
Yes,
Jitendra
yes,
Ji,
yes,
Rakesh Roshan.
yes.
Tell us a little bit about that.
Uh, my journey has been right through, and my Bollywood friends. I've dedicated the book to Mr. Sunil Dutt, and the foreword is written by Mr. Shatrughan Sinha, and I have here. Bilal, how are you, sir? Good to see you.
मैन बिहाइंड द मैन उनकी कहानी बड़ी मजेदार है मैंने
Definitely want to know about that.
आओ इधर आइए.
नहीं आप आइए
आप आइए ना सामने.
नमस्कार दोस्तों कैसे हो
आपको पहचान कराने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. हमारे बड़े अजीज़ दोस्त अनुपम जी आज अपना टाइम स्पेयर करके आए हैं मेरे लिए, एंड आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल टू हिम.
सो राजन जी से मेरी मुलाकात 1983 में हुई थी 82-83 में ये महेश भट्ट साहब की बिल्डिंग के नीचे रहते थे ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे और जब भी मैं भट्ट साहब के यहाँ से स्ट्रगल करके आता था तो इनके घर पे खाना खाता था तो आई वॉज जस्ट ए स्ट्रगलिंग एक्टर पर इनके यहाँ पर मुझे खाना इनके कंधे पर आँख में आंसू रोकना कभी कभी ड्रिंक भी देते थे फिर मुझे जब भट्ट साहब ने सारांश की शूटिंग से 10 दिन पहले निकाल दिया तो मैं इनके पास आकर बहुत काफ़ी मैंने रोया श्राप व्राप दिया भट्ट साहब
शराब
को
आप दिया.
but I'm always thankful to him for being kind to me at a time when life was very tough and he's a kind man and I did it my way इनको बिल्कुल सूट करता है बिकॉज इन्होंने पूरी ज़िंदगी जो है अपने दम पर जी है और अपने दम पर ही इन्होंने अभी तक इस बात को 40-42 साल हो गए बट ही इज़ अ ग्रेट मैन आई एम सो हैप्पी टू बी हियर
And
सो हैप्पी
he's a great man too. And Saransh was the beginning of his career in life, and he has done over 550 films since then. And he is an immense character in films. You've all seen it. But more than that, he's a great human being with a big heart. And we've been, I think, over 40 years friends.
Yes, yes.
And our journey has been really phenomenal. And I'm so happy and proud that he's here on my occasion today to
Of
launch
course.
my book.
I have to go to Ahmedabad, but I cancelled that. I mean, I'm going there a little later.
Good.
और एक फोटो खींचा मेरे हाँ हाँ दत्तू, मेरा कैमरा इधर दे दे सामने।
Please speak a few words. He's a very close and dear friend of mine, and the son of the famous Manmohan Desai. So I would like him to say a few words, please.
Well, what do I say? Rajan Bhai is not only a friend, but my older brother. And a person who has written a book needs tremendous guts to write about oneself's mistakes, and I don't think anybody has ever done that before. He's a man with such a golden heart, and his doors for his home are always open for everyone, something which is remarkable. I really wish him all the very best for today, and we had a super book launch in Dubai last month, and now we are in Mumbai. All the best, Rajan Bhai.
Thank you, Ketan.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ketan. Thank you.
हाँ जी अभी मेमोरीज अंदर no such memories at the moment, but all I know is he's my older brother. That's it. I know. Thank you. Thank you. for signing. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Rajan, you should be in the middle. No, middle, but today is your day.
Come in front.
कुछ speech चाहिए क्या?
Yes. Today, my friends, I would like to introduce you to Mr. Dinesh Nair and Madhu Nair, who of course, the owners of this beautiful hotel, and he has hosted us and taken such good care of us and looked after us, and on a very personal basis,
As
he's
family.
been coming, and
As
he's
family.
family. And I've known him for like now nearly what 45, 50 years.
Nearly 50 years.
50 years, and they are here today to encourage me and bless me for my launch. Madhu, can you please stay?
Madhu, please come.
Please come.
Blessings are from God. Our good wishes to my dearest friend.
Please say something.
Yeah, that's it.
Please say something. Please say something. Please say something.
Yeah, Mr. Rajan Lal is nothing but a family to us. Known him for 50 years. That's quite a long time. And today we are here to celebrate his life story. Thank you very much. Okay?
Thank you. Madhu, would you like to say something?
No, he said
Please.
it for us. No,
Please say something. Please. No? That's my sister. I would like to Manju Bageja, she's my sister, and she's come here with me. This is my partner, companion, friend, and my life partner, Manju ji. And she's been a major source of strength to me, and I really love her. Son and my daughter-in-law, Nikhil and Nupur. And they are here with me, they've been with me all through my journey. And I'm blessed to have them with me today. And come anytime.
Dad is an amazing guy. He's one of the people that are very inspirational to many, especially to me. Um, he's one of those guys that has an incredible story. So this book is going to be very interesting for future generations. I think there's a lot of lessons to be learned from his life, of things to do and things not to do. So I think I've seen Dad in very close quarters, and he's an incredible businessman, and he's an incredible person who really is able to look at himself critically, which is very important. A lot of people don't do that. And he's lived a very full life, which I don't think a lot of people can say for themselves. So he should be very proud, and I'm very proud of him. Thank you.
Thank you. Nupur, you like to say something?
Hi. Yeah? Oh, yes.
This is one of my oldest friends, Mr. Ashok Rajani and his wife. And during my old garment days, he's a very big garment exporter, and he still is. And it's so nice of him after nearly 40 years, 45 years to have
But
connected.
we've kept in touch all these years.
Please say something.
One of the most large-hearted and a wonderful human being I have known. It's been 40 years since we've been in touch and out of touch. But whenever we meet, it rebounds as if we've just met again. I wish him all the best.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Ashok. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
I'm always on that side, so मुझे थोड़ा और Ma'am is editor of Film Fair, Middle East. Now please.
अच्छा. Yes. Well, the book the book is about 620 pages, so I think they are asking to be quiet. So. Okay, the book can be kept there? Okay, so the book took me 4 years to be written, and it stands 620 pages. It's got pictures from 1924 to 2024, and it's a very important book because it's got some really old photos of Bollywood. You have Madhubala, you have all Devanand, Dilip Kumar, very rare pictures. ये pictures किसी ने देखी नहीं है. ये नई पिक्चर्स हैं, इनकी फैमिली में जो थी वो पिक्चर्स हैं ये. तो बहुत छांटे हमने, बहुत सारे पिक्चर्स में से हमने इतनी पिक्चर्स डाले हैं, नहीं तो बुक 4 एडिशंस की हो जाती, 1000 पेज के ऊपर हो जाती तो कोई नहीं पढ़ता. अभी 620 की नंबर 620, सो होपफुली लोग पढ़ेंगे उसको. एंड आई वुड lot of life lessons in the book. Mr. Lal, since journey is very inspiring. He's somebody who has had the he's a brutally honest person. तो फिर I'd like you to read it and that's all. Good luck and thank you for coming. मैं usually उस side पे होती हूँ, मुझे इस तरफ rarely होने को होता है, but I think yeah, right, yes. Right. So the beauty is, yes. So विनोद मेहरा इनके बहुत अच्छे फ्रेंड रह चुके हैं, मिस्टर राजन लाल के. और जब उनसे मेरी बात हो रही थी उनके बारे में वो चैप्टर के लिए, तो मैंने देखा कि उनकी आंखों में आंसू थे. उनके इतने प्यारे दोस्त थे वो. तो वो आई फाउंड दैट वेरी ब्यूटिफुल बिकॉज ही इज़ समबडी हु कीप्स हिज फ्रेंड्स वेरी क्लोज टू हिज हार्ट. एंड ये सारे उनके जो भी नाम इन्होंने बोले हैं वो सारे उनके दोस्त थे. So you have a lot of instances in the book which are very personal, between two people. और ये हमने थोड़ा सा present किया है बाहर. ऐसे बहुत सारी stories हैं जो हम लिख ही नहीं पाए because we can't write them. But there are many stories that are very beautiful about the book. Then अनुपम खेर जी को तो आपको पता है कि सारांश का जो रोल था वो is because of Mr. Lal. उन्होंने उनको encourage किया महेश भट्ट को कि वो उनको वो रोल दें. So that is one important part of the book. और भी लोग हैं इस जर्नी में जो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लोग हैं. सुनील दत्त इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ द बुक. वो उनके मेंटोर रह चुके हैं एंड हैज़ बीन थ्रू हिज जर्नीज व्हेन संजय दत्त वेंट टू जेल एंड ही वाज देयर व्हेन दे वेंट टू टेक हिम फ्रॉम जेल. सो वो भी इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ है कि इन्होंने फ़ोन नंबर उनको, आई थिंक ही गिफ्टेड देम सेल फोन्स विद द बर्थ डेट्स ऑन देम. ऐसे बहुत इंस्टेंसेस हैं बुक के बारे में. पढ़िए ज़रूर एंड आई होप यू ऑल लाइक इट एंड एन्जॉय इट. So thank you for coming and thank you for being part of the evening. Yeah.
lots of fond memories of my father and Mr. Rajan Lal, and I think it's really wonderful that he's been able to really pen down his entire life in this book. I'm very excited about it because I think I don't know a lot about his life except the time when he was with my father, and I'm looking forward to reading this book.
Anything, any memory of both of them together that you have that you can share with us, or anything special?
So I think the relationship between Rajan and my dad was very, very special. They were very good friends, but I think it was like a father and son relationship, you know, which I learnt little later. And I remember Rajan always pampering my father. You know, every time he used to come and meet my father, he would get him a little gift, and that would really excite my father and have this big smile on his face, and he used to show off the gift, see what Rajan got for me. So I think it was a beautiful and a lovely relationship that they shared. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yes, first of all, my heartiest congratulations to dearest Rajan Bhai. And we go back very long way. And of course, music was the common factor which bind us together. And not only is he a great music lover, but a very sensitive person. And we immediately, kind of bonded with him. And we've done so many shows with him. We've performed in his house. In fact, his house was one of the first places where Roop Kumar ji performed, and consequently we performed in Dubai. And I think it's going to be a very, very interesting read. So all the best to him always. Thank you.
Thank you.
of ITL group of companies of Mr. Rajan Lal. And Mr. Lal I knew closely for about 8 years. I am quite honored to be here for this function of release of his book, and I wish him all success. Thank you so much.
नमस्कार। बड़ा ही आज का दिन मंगलमय है तथा अत्यंत जीवन का एक अलग सा जो दिन कहा जाता है वो भी है। साईं बाबा की कृपा से 8 तारीख को जो दुबई में राजन लाल जी ने जो प्रोग्राम रखा था उसमें भी बाबा का आदेश हुआ जाने के लिए, और कल ही हम महाकुंभ जाके आए और आज बाबा बोले भागो। यहाँ आने के बाद ऐसा लगता है कि सभी साई परिवार यहाँ हमें मिलने को आया है। सिन्हा साहब हो, हमारे शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा साहब का हमारा लगभग 83 से हमारा एक परिवार का संबंध है, आप लोगों का ही। लेकिन राजन लाल जी, आपसे सीखने लायक बात है कि आपने जिनको जिनको एक बार पाया वो उन्होंने आपको हमेशा हमेशा के लिए कोई भी आपके पास से दूर नहीं गया। मैं आपको यहाँ शुभ आशीर्वाद देना चाहता हूँ, उसका स्वीकार करें। एक एक दिया ओम द्यो शांतिरंतरिक्षज्ञो शांति पृथिवी शांतिरापः शांतिरोषधयः शांतिः वनस्पतयः शांतिर्विश्वे देवाः शांतिर्ब्रह्म शांति सर्वज्ञो शांतिः शांतिरेव शांतिः सामा शांतिरेधि। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। सद्गुरु साईनाथ देवता प्रसादात् परिपूर्णमस्तु।
I was very touched that he felt that I was compromising with my dignity because I was looking for work and I had no place to stay, and he was very kind to me. And that's what those days one needed, kindness. Because in the city, when you are a drama school student and इस भीड़ में आप अपनी पहचान ढूंढ रहे हैं, तो कोई आदमी आपसे काइंडली बोले कि आप चाय पीजिए, टेंशन मत लीजिए, सब ठीक हो जाएगा। और उसके बाद जब भी मैं भट्ट साहब के यहाँ जाता था तो वो मुझे ज्ञान देते थे, अच्छा ज्ञान, नॉट लाइक वे, एंड ये मुझे खाना देते थे। बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट था। आई रिमेंबर हिज अंडे की भुर्जी, ब्रेड एंड लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स। एंड देन नॉट मेनी पीपल नो that I was thrown out of the film just 10 days before Saransh's shooting was to start. And मेरी जगह हरि भाई को ले रहे थे, तो फिर मैंने डिसाइड कर लिया था कि मैं इस शहर में नहीं रहूँगा। मैंने अपना सामान पैक किया और मैं बॉम्बे सेंट्रल जाने लगा। फिर मुझे लगा अब तो मुझे भट्ट साहब से कुछ लेना देना नहीं है, अब मैं जाकर उनको बता सकता हूँ मैं उनके बारे में क्या सोचता हूँ। फिर मैं उनकी लिफ्ट काम नहीं कर रही थी और ये शायद नीचे थे नहीं, तो मैं उनके घर गया। मैंने उनसे कहा कि आप सत्य पे फिल्म बना रहे हैं, आप में सत्य नहीं है। आपने मुझे 6 महीने तक मैं इस फिल्म की रिहर्सल करता रहा और अब आप 10 दिन पहले मुझे निकाल रहे हैं। जब गुस्सा बहुत क्लाइमैक्स पे होता है तो यू वांट टू एंड इट विद अ गुड लाइन, तो मुझे कुछ लाइन सूझ नहीं रही थी। तो फिर मैंने उनसे कहा कि मैं ब्राह्मण हूँ, मैं आपको श्राप देता हूँ। और ये बोलते हुए मैं बहुत रो भी रहा था, परेशान भी था। और नीचे फिर मुझे ये मिले तो मैंने कहा मुझे फिल्म से निकाल दिया, मैं शिमला जा रहा हूँ वापस। तो उन्होंने कहा वो कुछ खा लो। कहते मेरे यहीं पर डिसाइड हुआ था संजीव भाई को लेना है। बट what I want to say actually about him, that when you're looking for a destination, you look for a tree under whose shade you want to sit down. So Rajan was the tree which gave me shade in those days, and that's what is very important. Because मंजिल तो मेरी फिल्मों में काम करना था, लेकिन इनकी जब इनका प्यार, जो इनका मुझे काइंडनेस दिखी, वो अभी भी बरकरार है। मुझे लगता है कि कुछ रिश्ते टेप रिकॉर्डर की तरह होते हैं, पॉज बटन की तरह। आप पॉज हटाओ तो वहीं से शुरू होते हैं जहाँ से आपने छोड़े थे। थैंक यू राजन फॉर बीइंग सो काइंड एंड गुड लक। एंड आई सॉ माइन एंड किरण's पिक्चर, इट रिमाइंडेड मी ऑफ so many, gave me so many memories. And the biggest tribute paid to you today is Shatruji coming here exactly on time. That means he loves you so much, and that should be the headline of every event that you are doing from today, tomorrow onwards. Thank you so much. I have to take a flight. God bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you so much to give me this honor to represent Dad today, Rajan. Thank you very, very much. I know, I mean, it would be very different if he was here. And all I can say about Rajan and my father's relationship is, it was a very unique one. When I got to know Rajan, I was very young. I was, I think, very young, and my memory. Yes.
So I like to be here with her.
I remember coming to his office with Dad. I remember there was an inauguration in your office. And I was like taken aback by seeing that big office, and you know, everything was wow. Sai Baba ki badi murti thi, wahan puja ho raha tha, and that was my first thing of Rajan, you know, Dad's friend, and wow, what a great office and everything. And from there on, you know, I think their relationship built, and I always saw Rajan as my father's friend. So earlier I used to call you uncle. Then I realized the relationship is not just a friend. I think it was much more. It was like a father and son relationship. And I always remember that, you know, whenever Rajan used to come and meet my father, he used to get him little gifts. Pens and watches, and my father would be so excited. It was like this child who's getting a gift, and he would have this big smile on his face and he used to show off, see what Rajan has got for me today, you know. So I think that was that really wonderful, sweet relationship. And I also want to say that we saw Auntie's blessings for you, Rajan, and I think you have really lived up to those blessings, because all your relationships that you've maintained all these years, and we can see this entire house is full of all the people who love and care for you, and I'm really overwhelmed to see that, and I can see so many people here who have been part of that journey with you, with my father, and you know, and you thought of me today to represent Dad has been a very big moment for me. So thank you for having me here for this big day. And I'm really, really looking forward to reading the book, because there is so much about you I don't know. So much. And I'm really looking forward to understand what your life has been, with the good, the bad, and the ugly. So why not? I think that's a great way of, you know, being so honest about your life. And you've penned it all down in a book, which is wonderful.
Before she goes, she has to go a little early. And I'd like to thank Priya for coming today. And especially because the book is dedicated to Dutt Saab. My fond love memories, Dutt Saab, is all because of my friend and mentor, Mr. Shatrughan Sinha. And please give him a round of applause. And I met Dutt Saab through Shatruji. And I am always be grateful to you for having introduced me to him. And we've had some lovely times together in our bungalow in Andheri. But Dutt Saab has been an inspiration to me all my life. And his positivity, his determination, his grit. And he actually lived his life his way. And this book is dedicated to him because he did it his way. And even if I am 10% or 20% of Dutt Saab, or what I've seen and learned from him, I think my life has been successful. Another person who's been a great source of inspiration and inspiration and motivation for me has been Mr. Shatrughan Sinha today. And big round of applause to him for coming. And he has also written the foreword of my book. And it's so nice of him today that he has planned to grace the occasion as our chief guest. And I thank you, sir, for coming. And Jitu ji, thank you, sir. We've been friends. Rakesh ji, Shashi, Sonu, Poonam, thank you so much for coming, Anu. That all of our friends, we last 40 years, 45 years friendship. And this celebration or launch of the book is less of a celebration, more of a reunion of old friends like Mr. Dinesh Nair, who's sitting here, who is the owner of Leela Hotel. And I must thank him for hosting us and hosting this whole occasion. He has been very hands-on and an old friend of 50 years for me. And I would like to thank you, Dinesh and Madhu, for being here. I'd like to thank Mr. Ketan Desai and Kanchan for coming. And Mr. Kanchan and Ketan. Ketan came for my Dubai launch. Thank you, Ketan, for coming so much. And all my other friends who've been here, who've come from Dubai and from Delhi and everywhere else. And thank you so much for all coming here and being here today. Thank you so much. Thank you, Priya. Let me give you your book.